Hello, my dear kiddos. So today we are going to see the mock question paper part 3, right? So we are right now doing mock series and this is third session. So today again we are going to do 10 questions with timers. Let us begin without any further delay. The ratio of total number of phenotypes and genotypes for ABO blood group system in human population is 2:3, 3:2, 3:1, 2:1. Your time starts. 3, 2, 1, right? Now, come on children. I want everybody to answer this. This is a very simple question. Phenotype is the physical appearance. Genotype is a genetic constitution, right? So ABO, what are the phenotypes? Either a person can be a group or a B group or a O group or AB group. 4 possible phenotypes. Genotypes, for A, they can be heterozygous, homozygous, right? IAA or IAI. Similarly, B, they can be IBB or IBI, homozygous and heterozygous. So far we have 4 genotypes. For O, it's the recessive, small I, small I. Then AB, 1, IA, IB. So totally 6. Totally 6, right? So phenotypes 4 and genotype 6. So 4 is to 6 is nothing but 2 is to 3. So the answer is 2 is to 3. See, 4 phenotypes. Yeah, and 6 genotypes are there. Simple, that's all. Yeah, next one. When a single gene product produces more than one effect, this phenomenon is called polyploidy, pleiotrophy, multiple allelism, epistasis. Your time starts. 3, 2, 1 right now. Children, this one question is, I think, one of the repeated questions. Yes, so it's pleiotrophy, right? It's a phenomenon where a single gene can influence multiple phenotypic traits. Correct. One good example will be the sickle cell anemia, which does not only alter the shape of the red blood cell, but also affect the oxygen transport, organ function, and resistance to malaria. And in a transcript unit, the terminator is located towards terminator in a transcription unit. 3' end of the template strand, 3' end of the coding strand, 5' end of the coding strand, 5' end of the sense strand. Your time starts. 3, 2, 1 right now. Alright, 3' end of the coding strand, right? Very, very, very important. The 3', the downstream end of the coding strand, that is very important. Read the following and choose the correct option. Statement A. Baculoviruses are pathogens that attack insects and other arthropods. Statement B. Symbiotic fungi, trichoderma, are very common in root systems. Statement A is correct, B is correct. Both the statements are correct, both the statements are incorrect. What do you think? Your time starts. 3, 2, 1 right now. Alright, children, only A is correct. Right? They are baculoviruses are definitely the pathogens, the disease-causing microbes which will attack insects and the arthropods. Whereas, do you think the symbiotic fungi trichoderma is a free-living soil fungi? Okay, yes. So that is why statement B is wrong. Which of the following molecules will act as a precursor of the PGR that is responsible for increasing in the yield of sugarcane? Adenine, violaxanthin, acetyl-CoA and tryptophan. Your time starts. 3, 2, 1 right now. Okay, so the answer is acetyl-CoA because gibberellin actually increases the sugarcane yield by increasing the length. But acetyl-CoA is the precursor of gibberellin, so the answer is acetyl-CoA. Which of the following statement is wrong? Nearly all plants are conformers. Heat loss or heat gain is a function of surface area. Small animals have a small surface area relative to their volume. Thermoregulation is energetically expensive for many organisms, which is incorrect. Your time starts. 3, 2, 1 right now. Okay, the answer is small animals have a smaller surface area relative to their volume. Actually, that's wrong, right? They relatively will have a larger surface area to their volume, which will lead to faster heat loss or gain. That is why they are more affected by the temperature changes and often have higher metabolic rates to maintain their body temperature. Okay, right. Invertebrates, which of the following taxa has highest number of species? Fishes, birds, amphibians, reptiles. Your time starts. 3, 2, 1 right now. Highest number of species, right? Definitely the fishes, right? With over 34,000 known species. They surpass birds, amphibians and reptiles in the diversity. The pyramid of number is upright in a tree and pond ecosystem, aquatic ecosystem only, tree and grassland and pond. Your time starts. 3, 2, 1 right now. Here goes the answer, grassland and pond ecosystem. So in both pond and grassland, the pyramid of number is upright because the number of the producers, right, is higher than the number of herbivores. right, the primary consumer, which is in turn higher than the number of carnivores, the flesh eaters. However, in a tree ecosystem, the pyramid of number is often inverted or spindle shaped because of larger tree supports many herbivores, leading to fewer producers and consumers. Right. So the answer is grassland and pond ecosystem. Select the wrongly matched pair. Lack operon, inducible operon. Regulator gene is non-constitutive expression. Promoter gene site for RNA polymerase attachment. Lack Y gene responsible for permease synthesis. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Okay, the answer is regulator gene is non-constitutive, they are saying, but it is actually a constitutive. It gives constitutive expression, right? It shows constitutive expression, not non-constitutive, right? Yeah, because it produces a repressor protein continuously. Correct, therefore that is the wrong match. Whereas the lac operon is an inducible operon activated in the presence of lactose. Promoter gene is the site where RNA polymerase binds to the to initiate transcription, and lac Y gene codes for permease, which is facilitating the entry of lactose into the cell. Stem modifies to perform photosynthesis in potato, ginger, zamican and apantia. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Okay, so the answer is apantia. Basically, in apantia, if you see, the stems are modified into flattened green structures. They are called as phylloclad, so which contains chlorophyll, and they can perform photosynthesis, compensating for the reduced or modified leaves, which is the spines, to minimize water loss in arid conditions. With that, we are completing today's 10 questions, and I hope you all enjoyed. Yeah, and yes, we are going to come up with a lot of mock series questions. Wait for the next part. All the best. And if you are really enjoying and finding the videos useful, do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.